Autumn is one of my favourite times in the garden because there's so much change, whether it's from the colour of your trees to new plants coming through, but it's also a fantastic time to do maintenance. So whether it's tackling the garden shed or cleaning up a patio or even raking the leaves, doing all this now will save you so much time and effort later on. The first task is to rake up any leaves and remove spent plants. This helps prevent pests and diseases from overwintering in your garden, and you can even compost the plant material or use the leaves as mulch. It's also a great time to give a little bit of attention to your garden beds, and you can do this one of two ways. One, you can use compost, and that will help improve the soil structure and add a bit of nutrients back into the ground. Otherwise, you can add some mulch, and that will help keep your plant's roots nice and warm as we head into the cooler months. With the garden prepped, it's time to tackle the hard surfaces because pathways, patios, outdoor furniture, and even planters can collect a lot of dirt and grime over the months, and even these need some attention. I'll be tackling these areas with the help of this tool here. This is the STIHL REA 60 Plus pressure washer, and not only is it lightweight and very portable, it's super easy to use, so it'll give these areas a nice deep clean without the hassle. The adjustable 3-in-1 nozzle lets you switch settings as you go. The fan jet is perfect for gentler tasks like cleaning grime off delicate pots or wooden surfaces. The rotary nozzle is powerful enough to tackle tough dirt on paving or concrete. Plus, there's even a soap dispenser for pre-soaking surfaces before giving them a deeper clean. This here is the stepless pressure adjustment, so you can really fine-tune the amount of pressure you want to achieve depending on what you're cleaning. And best of all, it's super quiet, so if you don't want to make too much noise in the garden, it's perfect, but even better yet, it won't wake your neighbours. This pressure washer uses the STIHL AK Battery System, giving you plenty of power. The battery is also interchangeable with other tools in the AK range. With its compact size, it packs away nice and neat, so you can keep it with your other key garden tools. And with all those tasks done, all that's left to do is to give the ute a really good clean.